So, why a vision statement is important? So, if you are not sure where you are going nowhere. That is why the vision statement is important. But when I say a vision statement, you know, very few people understand the vision statement, and if they understand, then they do not know how to write it in say 20, less than 20 words, so that they remember the vision statement. If you don't remember your vision statement, then you'll get confused all the time about what your vision is. So I remember in my previous organization, like say 10 years, like almost 15 years back, my chairman was kind of uh, training a bunch of professionals on the vision statement, and he was saying, unless you can remember word by word what you are going to say as your vision statement, the vision statement is not yours. And I understood that as a vision statement when I read Stephen Covey, when he said that every employee of the organization should know and should have their version of the vision statement, so that it kind of gives them a direction. The company's vision statement will lead the company, but your individual vision statement would lead you in your personal and professional life both. If you understand this, then you must be knowing why a vision statement is required. So, I'm Sangeeta, I'm a significance coach, and I help people get over from the success towards significance. What does that mean? That means you are not stopping at individual level, you are kind of growing towards a level where your existence, your presence, your work impacts the community. uh, where is the community? The community is just five people whom you know, and with those five, if initially everybody knows at least five people, right? And out of those, one or two, one might be very close with, and three so, and that doesn't matter. You start with those five, and later on, that community grows into thousands in case of people. If something connects, then they grow, and people who do not connect with you will go away on their journey. Everybody has a journey, but this is a dream, and I know if I have been connecting with so many people, and if somebody is listening to me, then they would know that whether they are connecting with me or not. If they are connecting, it is not essential that they will be kind of um, talking to me immediately, but it will create a ripple effect in their lives, and they will go on and create some kind of difference in their life. And it all starts with a vision statement, and the vision statement kind of gives a direction to what kind of work we should do. It is definitely success plus a legacy. So if you know whatever you are doing, most of us, like even if we are very successful, even if we are recognized by the organization, by some community, still the insecurities is there, because there is a need to constantly prove oneself, and that creates a lot of pressure. But if you are connected with your vision statement, then it naturally flows whatever you are doing. So to to have the natural comfort of doing something which is at par with where you want to go, it is a dream state, and you are actually progressing towards your dream step by step. And if you are following the 5% rule, which means you can only deliver 5%, can be responsible for 5%. The rest of 70% or so will come immediately. It is visible and it will come automatically on its own. And that is the magic of the vision statement. And once this 75% is immediately done, say in say 6 months or so, then the next 25% it becomes visible once this stage is done, even before that. So, if you know and if you have kind of connected to my energy, then you will know why vision statement is required. If you have one, then make sure that you have it by heart. Like my vision statement is like a calmer, cleaner, cooler, greener, richer glow. So every word of that vision statement um, is representative of one segment of people who might connect at a calmer stage. And mid-career professionals especially are very agitated due to different situations. Sometimes they are overlooked, sometimes they are ignored, bypassed for promotion, they are burnt out, things like that. And if so, they need to be calm. How would they be calm? Then that is something of a thing we can discuss, and we have clarity for that. It cannot be a generic kind of situation for each of us. The being calm is different. Similarly for other components. So we will take one step at a time. Right now we are discussing vision statement, so we'll not go deeper into my vision statement. It is about having your vision statement where we are going. Trust me, it saves a lot of wasteful efforts on our part. Once we have that vision statement, it will kind of narrows down where all our energy will be focused, and we will not necessarily, like, we won't take things which is beyond our capability. It in a lifetime, it is as much you can do. The others, it will be taken care of. So whatever is your focus attention, just do that much and create some kind of impact on that, and that will help the humanity to take it forward. You won't necessarily maybe won't finish a job, but that doesn't matter. It is just that you have started something, and if you know how the world, the planet works, then it takes several generations of good work to make it better, bad work too. And right now, we are we are on that cusp where we might be reaching another lull in the growth or in the stage of the planet. Remember, the planet doesn't planet will survive, but the civilization will perish if certain things are not adhered to. So in order to develop that resilience also, and there is certain amount of resilience we can build. After that, it is difficult to handle. So, for that, let us have a vision statement for now, and let us see how it progresses to the next level, and it would be real challenge. And if you are listening to this video, then please make your vision statement below the video, and it will be great if you let me know. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.